tag Chad Lowe, my cousin, and I'm gonna chat Nakota on Instagram and Facebook. So these you two, it's your turn. Don't be punks, man. Some of y'all not doing these challenges, man, but it's cool though, because when veterans fought for you, you know, they had to take it. So I'm just saying, come on, if they can do it, you guys can do 22 push-ups in 22 days. All right, so once again, I don't want to mess with my Jordans, so I'm taking off. And these are on rocks. This is dedication. All right, so here we go. You ready? Woo, rocks hurt. All right, shit.